What's going on YouTube? Back at you with part number 5 of the Birdcage Corsair build. And as you can see, we got the two halves of the fuselage together. Did a little bit of detail painting inside with some Vallejo paints for the belts, some testers, metallic range for the buckles, and then also some Vallejo, just white top for the actual instruments on the side, dry brushed with a metallic color just to bring out the dials and things like that. Didn't really go too deep into the detailing of that, just because with the bird cage canopy put on at the end, you're not seeing it. So I didn't want to spend multiple hours detailing something you weren't going to see. So at this point, the next step for this is going to be getting the black sprayed here, as well as just getting all of the seams taken care of on the top and the bottom. This one, as you might be able to hear, has a little bit of a step. Pardon the movie. My wife's watching in the other room. And then once we get all of that taken care of, then we can get this thing into get the glass on and get this thing into more of a primer state. Really happy with the seam line of this drop-in panel. That really fits, looks nice. I think that should go without really too much of any additional effort to get that in place. Most of the seams are pretty good, so just a light little polish. Get rid of the ejector pins here and on the bottom, but like I said, there's a step there, so that'll take a little bit of work. As you can also see, we got the main wing assembly together. Putting the clamshells, putting those together here really wasn't that bad. Those lined up really well, really nicely. Even the oil cooler intakes here, again, really nice. However, the exterior wing parts here, if you're going to build it, I would almost recommend just building this thing with the wing folded. Not only for a space reason, but getting this to line up on the top and bottom correctly is very difficult. In fact, you can, and it really just doesn't, like, this, the glue's still a little damp, but it does move around a lot, and so we'll have to work with that to try to get that squared away and sorted out. But just to, like I said, get that seam taken care of. I'm going to lose quite a bit of detail here that I'm going to have to come back in and try to rescribe in and not overscribe in. So a little bit of a challenge there, but I wanted this thing to be wings down, ready to kind of take off. I have another 48 Tamiya Corsair that I want to build with the wings up. It's the later model with the tug. So like I said, this one I wanted to build wings down. So in either case, that is really the biggest update that I got for the Corsair build. Just kind of got the chance to get back into the room tonight and get a few little projects done. So also we'll have an update coming here momentarily also for the Monster Truck dual build, which is really happy to be able to give you guys this update. So catch you guys later.